Bore da pawb, croeso I sesiwn dydd Mercher. Welcome to Wednesday's session. Good morning, everyone. Gobeithio bod pawb yn barod. I hope you're all ready. Chi'n gwybod erbyn nawr, but it's bottle o dŵr, you need a water bottle, but it's a digon o lle, enough space around, a dillad addas, and that you've got your clothes ready to go. Os ydyn ni'n barod, na I gweithio chi 5 gweithgaredd, a wedyn mewn I twymo lan. I'll let you know the 5 exercises, and then we'll start with our warm-up. Rhif 1, tara mwrthwr, hammer throws. Rhif 2, naid here, long jump. Rhif 3, ni bod yn dal a plank. We're going to be holding a plank. Rhif 4, cerdded a lunge. We're going to be doing walking lunges. A rhif 5, tried chwim. We're going to be doing fast feet to finish off. Pawb yn hapus gyda'r 5 gweithgaredd yna. Os ydyn ni'n barod I fynd, ni'n mynd dechrau rhedeg ar ysmotyn. We'll start running on the spot then to warm up. Cofiwch bod y trad yn dod off y llaw a bod y breichiau'n symud. Your feet come off the floor and your arms are moving. Da iawn chi. A nawr, ni'n mynd I codi pyluniau uchel. We're going to lift our knees nice and high. Da iawn chi. Now I'm going to codi coesau yn y cefn. I'm going to lift our legs up behind. Da iawn. Nôl I rhedeg ar ysmotyn. Back to running on the spot. Pobl yn ymuno. People keep joining in. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl da pawb. Rhedeg ar ysmotyn I twymo lan. Breichau mas, arms out, mestyn lan. And now we're going to neidio tamau bach. We're going to neidio wedyn, we're going to do a couple of bounces, because we're going to be jumping later on for the long jump. Cofiwch bod breichau'n symud. Da iawn. 10 to, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Da iawn chi, reit. Gweithgaredd rhif 1, tara mwrthwr, hammer smash. Okay? So you're going to esgus. Mwrthwr môr, i'ch ben pen. Pretend we've got a big hammer above the head. You're going to tara fel out, we're going to smash it down. Neidio. Smash. Neidio. Smash. And all I'm now going to do that. Smash the hammer down, jump around, pretend smash again. Clock. And barod. Right. 5 eiliad, I paratoi. 5 seconds to prepare. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Smash. Neidio. Smash. Neidio nôl. Da iawn. Cofiwch bod chi'n cadw'r pŵer yn y mwrthwr. Remember, keep the power in your hammer swing. Da iawn. Esgus. Mwrthwr môr trwm. But it's a digon of power, big heavy hammer, plenty of power. 3, 2, 1, come off break. Un peth eto. Gonna have a quick break, then we're doing the same again. 5 eiliad, paratoi, get ready. 3, 2, 1, off a knee. Tara, neidio. Tara, neidio, da iawn, so smash. Don't forget to put the jump in as well. Da iawn chi. Dig eiliad I fynd. 10 seconds to go. Mae hwn yn blinedig. This is a tiring one. 3, 2, 1. Camrwch brec bach. Dŵr chi moyn. Calon di codi yn syth fyna. 1, 4, 4. Un nesa, naid here, long jump. So dewch nôl I cefn eich ardal, back to the back of your area. 2 trad at gilydd. 1 naid more, 1 massive jump. Okay? 3, 2, 1. So plenty pyluniau, cofiwch defnyddio breichiau. 1 naid more, cerdded nôl. Iawn? Ydych chi'n gallu curo? Nai tro dwytha. Can you beat the jump from last time? Have a little guess on the floor. Da iawn chi. Un naid arall. One more jump. Da iawn chi. Cymrwch toriad bach. Os chi moyn diod. Nid yw'r un peth eto. Ond tro yma, ni'n mynd i neidio lan, troi rownd, neidio nôl. So, jump, turn, jump back. So neidio, troi rownd, neidio, troi rownd, neidio. Okay? No walking. We're jumping both ways. Da iawn, dros hanner ffordd. Okay, so no walking, less break, 5 eiliad I fynd, 3, 2, 1 eto, da iawn chi, gyda cymwch break. Gweithgaredd nesa, next exercise, ni'n mynd yn dala plank, we're going to be holding a plank. So lawr yn llaw, break it, ei gilydd, a corff off the llawr. Body off the floor, arms together. We're going to be holding a plank. Everybody down you go. Lawr chi, 5 eiliad, 3 eiliad, 2, 1, lawr yn ni. And you're dala, sharp amount. I'm going to hold this shape. Cofiwch bod ni'n nadlu. Don't hold your breath on this one. Okay, bum not too high. Okay, nice and low. Da iawn, 10 eiliad I fynd. Cofiwch yn adlu, remember your breathing. 3, 2, 1, cymrwch break back. It's tough. Have a little break, stay on the floor. Have a drink if you need it. Ni'n mynd nôl I wneud plank arall. We're going back to do another plank, okay? 3, 2, 1, lawr yn ni, down we go. Okay, chart ei gilydd, break it ei gilydd. Arms and legs together. Remember your breathing. And we just hold this position. Da iawn chi. Deg eiliad I fynd. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. Oh, tough one, man. It's a tough one. Break back. Gweithgaredd nesa. Next exercise. Cerdded a lunge. Walking lunges. So, ni'n dechrau reit nôl, right back, 1 lunge. Straight lan, mewn I lunge arall. Straight lan, mewn I lunge arall, okay? So we're going 1 lunge, straight into another one. Pawb yn barod. 3, 2, 1, off ni. So 1 lunge. Straight lan, mewn I lunge arall. Straight lan, mewn I lunge arall. Da iawn, cerdded nôl. Lunge. Up and straight into another lunge. Up and straight into another lunge. Okay? A cerdded nôl. Ni'n mynd eto. Lunge. Lan, mewn I lunge arall. Lan, mewn I lunge arall. Cerdded nôl. 3, 2, 1, cymrwch toriad. Have a quick break. Cymrwch diod mlaen. Yr un peth eto, we'll do the same again. Okay, 5 eiliad I fynd. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. So lunge. Step mewn I lunge arall. Arm mewn I lunge arall. Cerdded nôl. Os mae lle gyda chi, you've got enough room. Lunge. 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 A chi'n troi rownd a wneud 3 lunge ar y ffordd nôl. We can do 3 lunges on the way back. You've got enough room. 5 eiliad I fynd. 3 lunge tro. 1, 2, 3. A cymrwch break back. 1 gweithgaredd ar ôl. 1 left. Tro am dŵr. Tried cwim. Fast feet. Pawb yn cofio sut I wneud rhain a fi sy'n bod yn gyflym iawn. As fast as you can go with these. Pawb yn cofio? Okay. Tried and symud. Break and symud. Arms and legs. You've got to be moving nice and quickly for this one. 5 eiliad. Digon a lle. 3, 2, 1, off a ni. So break here, a charge, symud y gloi. Da iawn chi. Cadw Ffit. Da iawn, wedi gweld 10 eiliad ar ôl. Break here, a charge y symud. 3, 2, 1. Oh, cofio. Siglo, man, shake your legs off. 1 round I fynd. Fi'n rhedeg ffordd match yma, fi'n gweld the clock. So I can see the clock, I'm going to run this way. Pawb yn barod, 5 eiliad. 3, 2, 1, off a ni. Breaking yn symud. Coesau yn symud. Trad yn symud. Okay? So our arms are moving. Our legs are moving. And our feet are moving. Hanner ffordd trwydd o'n barod. Halfway through already. Da iawn. 10 eiliad ola. Faint mor fast yn gallu fynd? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, da iawn. Oh, calon. 1, 6, 3. 1, 6, 4. Mae'n dal yn y lan. Wedi gweithio'n galed bore yma. I hope you've worked as hard as I have. Oh, teimlo'n dda ar ôl o'n wneud gweithgareddau. Feel good after doing my exercises. Okay, so we're just going to cerdded gwmpas. Just going to walk around. Dwi'n mynd dŵr gyda chi ymlaen. You can take your water bottle with you if you want. Okay. Can have a little walk around. Cofiwch dŵr hefyd. Remember your water. Just cerdded o gwmpas. Just a few walking laps. Da iawn chi. Diolch I pawb sydd wedi bod yn gwylio. Naill ai Facebook neu YouTube. Cofiwch gwasgu'r thumbs up. Remember, doesn't matter where you've watched, Facebook or YouTube, to please hit that thumbs up button so we know if you're enjoying the workouts or not, okay? Na fe, cerdded o gwmpas. Lap ola, last lap. Da iawn chi. Reit de, bach o mestyn, a bit of stretching. Okay, dachau lan top. Gwddwg un ochr a dala fel la. 3, 2, 1. Your neck goes the other way and hold. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn. Un braich am draws. Gwthio mewn tu ôl y penelyn fyna. Okay, one arm over. The other arm pushes in about by the elbow. 3, 2, 1. Siglo. Newid drosto. Change over. Am draws. A gwthio mewn across. And a little push in by the elbow. 3, 2, 1. A siglo. Iawn, lawr i'r coesau ni, down to your legs. Yw dala un cwrs tu ôl. A dala sowns, cofiwch. Trick y clist. 3, 2, 1. A siglo. Okay, switch it over, different leg. Remember the ear trick, you need to keep your balance. 3, 2, 1. And shake it off, da iawn. Gorffen off there. Coesau syth, plinia syth, lock your knees straight. Legs, straight legs. Lawr a gwybod y clawr. Os chi'n gallu, can you reach the floor? Fi methu, I can't. Mae isel chi'n gallu fynd as low as you can go. Dala sownd, hold it there. Dylwch chi'n teimlo fe yn tynnu cyhyrra coesau. Stretching the leg muscles. 3, 2, 1. A lan a ni. Diolch yn fawr am ymuno. Thank you very much for joining in. Gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau. A cofiwch bydd sesiwn arall bore fory. There'll be another session tomorrow morning with the Ceredigion Active team. Hanner awr di naw, 9:30, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, a the link yn mynd lan ar Teams hefyd. So diolch yn fawr am ymuno. Thank you very much for joining in, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Hwyl fawr!